Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making huge changes to the e-bike. I have my Fox 40 forks. There is some noises right now. The Frenchies are in the building. We also have the Doberman. You guys haven't met me Doberman yet, but you will be meeting. These are my Fox 40s and they are going on the Kenevo Specialized e-bike. Now, if you remember, these Fox 40s were basically dropped to 180 mil of travel for the Santa Cruz Nomad when it was the V180 Snake. Now, today, we are putting the 180 40s on the 180 Specialized Kenevo. So, it should ride exactly the same, just a little bit stiffer up the front and a little bit more bulky. Now, I needed to rebuild my front wheel because this is now 20 mil axle. And the 20 mil axle is going to fit the Fox 40 forks. So I basically ordered a Hope 35W Fortis rim, which is this rim, which basically takes up to a 2.8 tyre, which is what was on the e-bike standard. So this rim is going to work, and I built this myself. It's my second wheel I've ever built. Basically, I built it last night and it was my second wheel I've ever built and I am pretty hyped on it. So shout out to everybody who has supported me in the process of building this wheel. Sick. So here's a time lapse from last night building the wheel. Enjoy. Okay, so YouTube, it has been quite some time since you have seen Quattro, which calls for an extra thumbs up. If you have not smashed the thumbs up button, please give Quattro a thumbs up, not me, just Quattro. Dixie in the building. The Frenchies are now in the building. Now, as you can see, this place is pretty tidy, pretty clean, and the workshop is progressing at a rapid rate. We also have Dixie in the house, so I can bring the Frenchies now, and I don't have any issues. We also have Rocco, who is heel, sit, lie down, lie down, lie down, stay. We have Rocco, who is a sick Doberman. Mercedes is living with my mum at my mum's place. There was a lot of fighting. For anybody who's just tuned in and missed them videos in the past, basically, I did have 3 French Bulldogs. I still have 3 French Bulldogs. Mercedes lives with my mum. She's very happy. I just struggle to make BMX content these days. I just prefer making mountain bike videos, but at some point, I will get on the BMX and make a BMX video. I have heard yous in the comments below. Basically, I have removed the Specialized grip. Honestly, I cannot wait to upgrade these for some plain black def grips that I had on my previous build. It'd be quite cool, if you're watching this video, it would be quite cool for you to comment below and let me know any video ideas, what you think the bike's going to ride like, if there's anything you think I've missed in this build, and today, if you think there's anything I've missed, I would be pretty hyped to know. Anything positive you can add to today's situation, I would be very grateful of. I'll be reading all comments, and make sure you go to ownerofficial.com, link is in the description, where you can buy my t-shirts, mountain bike jerseys and hoodies. It's pretty sick. So, the stem is coming off as we speak. These are the standard bars and stem that we got on the e-bike from Specialized, and fingers crossed, I'm hoping that I've got the parts to put this stem on and stuff today. we have the RockShox Lyriks 180mm travels. They are so light. It is actually insane. This is the little sticker that I was talking about. It says EMTB add 10 PSI. So my question is, if I want to put these on the Santa Cruz Nomad, which will be insane for the Nomad, it'll mean that it's 180mm travel on the top. Can I just put these on and apply normal Lyriks pressure? Or do any bike mechanics out there with experience with these forks know whether these have different internals for the e-bike? I personally don't think they do, which is why they would put that sticker on to add pressure. But who knows? Who knows? It's going to be interesting. But basically, I think they are going to be perfect for the Nomad. But that is for a later date. Today is about the e-machine. So it is looking lonely, it is looking sad, and it is looking ready for Fox 40s. The biggest worry of today is this. So the biggest worry of today is, basically, this is the new fashionable thing, which is plus size tyres, 2.8. And I, for one, can say that I am hooked. It feels like nothing I've ever ridden before. All I want to do is change the Nomad to plus size tyres as well. The good news is, one thing we know for sure is that the RockShox Lyriks can take plus size for the Nomad now, which is pretty insane. And I know the rear of the frame has big gaps for plus size, so that is really cool. But today's concern, worry, and slight guesstimation has got me feeling a little bit unsettled. Now, these are plus size tyres, and these are Fox 40s 27.5s. It is gonna be tight. I am not 100% sure whether it is even gonna fit. I have built the full wheel. I have literally done everything other than find out whether they fit. Now, I did some research on the internet, but I couldn't really get an accurate answer. Couldn't really get an accurate answer online, and the reason was because Fox 40s, they go through so many different stages over the years of what they are and probably how long they are, etc. And these are 2018 Fox 40s Kashima, as you can see, pretty sick. But basically, I've got faith. I looked at some pictures, and the old tyres don't look a million miles away from this, but they also look like they could fit the extra length. So today is going to be interesting. I am very nervous, so I think before we go any further in today's video, I think the first thing that I need to do is put tubeless fluid in the wheel, get the wheel pumped up, and do a test fit on this. Okay, I'm really excited about these muck-off tubeless valves. I've never used them before. I don't know how they're going to be. They were $17.95, but I think they were worth it. They are purple and they are going on a murdered out e-bike. That is what I'm talking about. And they have pretty cool valve caps as well. Check it. Hope 35W Fortis rim with a purple valve. That looks pretty cool, I think. That's really cool actually. They've got an Allen key in them. Don't know whether that'll focus yet. He's got an Allen key in the end, which is kind of awesome. Fluid, and had it in the van for about a month now. It is called No Puncture. It's from Muck-Off, tubeless sealant. So we are going to put a load of this in. I would just like to know how much you are supposed to put in. Okay, all the tubeless fluid is now inside the wheel. I just need to pump it up. Tyre looks really awesome on the Hope rim. Check it. It's pretty sick, 2.8. Getting pretty addicted to the plus size tyres. I bought this pump this morning, £22. Check it. So, moment of truth. We have Quattro, this is not the time and this is not the place. 2.8 plus size tyre on a Hope 35W rim. We have Fox 40s 20mm axle. This is the moment that I've been waiting for, and I'm not going to drag it out. Let's get straight to it. Does this fork take plus size tyres? And it appears whoa. Oh, it fits. Oh. Yes. Check that out. There's actually some still pretty good clearance there, actually. I would say like at least 1.5 fingers. And I think, if anything, it's kind of like a nicer fit. Just kind of to give you guys an on-level eye through there. What are your thoughts? I think it looks pretty beasty. Fox 40, 27 plus, 2.8. That right there is unreal. I am so hyped right now, you have no idea. Okay, now, this is where things get really interesting, guys. Basically, we are fully done with the tyre and the tubeless fluid. I wanted to say thanks for waiting around. This is going to be an incredible moment. I have to take the top of this headset off to basically be able and there, as you can see, very, very greased. No need for more grease. Here we go. We have the bar set up, which is pretty mean. It's very dirty, I will clean it. We have Berg Tech. How the hell this thing feels and looks. Okay, trying to figure out, all of that needs to go like that. Moment of truth. Oh my days. Oh my god, this looks insane. Oh my god! Quattro, what do you think, lad? What do you think? What do you think? What are you saying? What are you saying? You like it? You like it? Oh my days. These are coming off. I'm not keeping the stickers on. But oh my god. Okay, for the people who are wondering about geometry, the old forks were 180mm travel. And I know most Fox 40s are 200mm travel, but I actually had these shortened to 180mm travel. That's 180 now on the rear and 180 on the front as standard if you were to run the standard Lyrik forks. And my god, that looks ridiculous for an e-bike. If you think that looks ridiculous, you know what to do. You know what to do. You know what to do. That's insane. Oh my god. That is insane. The beast. 10 out of 10. So, I'm going to tighten all these up. I'm going to put the def grips on. And I'll be right back. Okay, so. Everything is tight. And we have the beast fully made. Check it out. So we have 180mm Fox 40s on the front. We have 180 Öhlins coil on the back. And actually, interestingly, the brake on the front fits a bit nicer on the downhill forks. And now don't need to use any spacers at all. Like on the rear, as you can see, there's actually quite a lot of spacers and stuff. Kind of sketchy, but I think it's a lot cleaner now. It's just nice and flush, no spacers, nothing crazy. I am very excited to get out and go for a ride on this. If you are as excited as me, smash the thumbs up button. So that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Def grips are on. We are ready to ride. Tune back in. Next couple of days I'm going to take this thing out for a spin and we are going to find out what it really performs like with some downhill forks on it. Make sure you check out Owner Official, which is in the description of this video, for jerseys, t-shirts and hoodies. Proud owner of a downhill e-bike. Thanks for watching today's video. Smash the thumbs up button and I'll see you in the next couple of days riding this thing. Peace.